I've been using HavocOS on Poco F1 for a long time, and if you ask me, this is the best custom ROM I've used on this device. I am so far impressed with the features, smoothness and performance. I have to say that HavocOS is power pack of stability and good performance. Starting the review off with the performance. The day-to-day tasks and app opening times are fast as usual, and performance is fine. I haven't feel any lag and frame drops in a while, but PUBG does have some issues. Like frequent frame drops happening when I'm playing in the highest graphics, and rebooting the device solves that problem, but you can't do that every time you want to play a game. The heavy games consumes a decent amount of battery. The battery life is not that great like HavocOS which I tested earlier, but it's still good enough and can easily survive a day with heavy usage. I got around 7 hours of screen on time on the first cycle after flashing the ROM and 9 hours of screen on time on the second cycle on Wi-Fi most of the time. The HavocOS comes with some sweet gesture like OnePlus and One UI, and it's fairly good, but in the game it doesn't work at all, so I ended up using Android Pie gestures. Well, you can enable both the gesture mode at the same time, but it doesn't make any sense. Talking of the extra customizations, it allows you to customize most of the thing on your Android. There is a separate section on the setting menu called HavocOS setting. The number of customization options allow you to customize the smallest thing on your Android. Fingerprint works lightning fast, and it also supports the IR based face unlock, which is more secure than just camera scanning your face. Both fingerprint and face unlock is reliable and works 99% of the time. There are not any major bugs at all except the PUBG frame drop issue. So that sums up the video, but before we do that, here are the benchmark score of HavocOS on Poco F1 which we tested earlier on Geekbench and Entutu. We don't rely on benchmark, the real life performance is what matters to us, but you guys might be interested in it. If you have any question regarding this ROM, let me know in the comments below. Also follow us on our social media platform and stay tuned for more videos in the future.